Hi, I'm Nico and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from my previous ones. Because I want to post more frequently than once a week, I decided to make a video series, which I will call vlogs. It's not really a vlog, it's more of a work in progress video of whatever project I'm currently working on. If you follow my Instagram, you would notice that I tend to start a new project in the middle of an ongoing one. So, I have a lot of unfinished projects that I filmed and never posted on here, and I figured I could share those whether they're done or far from done. So for this video, I'm just working on the Sinanju style weapons. I didn't do much, I just simply scribed on the shield because it was too plain for my liking. And then I went ahead and painted it in custom colors. I'm also gonna be sharing my experience with the HobbyMio Waterslide Decals. I actually stripped this peach color because I just didn't like how it looked afterwards, and just replaced it with an orange color that I think went better with the grays. I also switched from the Harder and Steenbeck Colani to the Infinity, just because I'm more used to it. So now, let's talk about HobbyMio's water slides. I'm not an expert on decals, but I have tried a few from different brands. And I must say, this is one of the best water slides out there. At least from my own experience. I didn't really care much about decals before. You would not spot even one piece of decal on my past works. I only started appreciating it after I had to put decals on a commission work, and noticed how much detail it adds to the kit. So now, I'm just gonna share how I apply my water slides. Off camera, I actually just use a saucer and not a wet palette. But to make my video presentable, I'm using a wet palette here. But feel free to use whatever. A decal tray, if you have one, is great too. When working with water slide decals, use a new hobby blade to prevent yourself from getting caught and damaging the water slides. I don't have a specific decal for the Sinanju style, so I'm just going to use whatever I have on hand. Mostly just warning signs and caution signs, and it's good enough for me. I'm also just going to place it wherever I feel like placing it, because it's my Gunpla and I can do whatever I want with it. From my experience, I simply have to dip the HobbyMio decals in water, and not even 5 seconds later, it's already separated from the backing. Usually, you'd have to submerge the decal and wait for around 15 to 30 seconds before it separates. At least that's my experience from Delphi decals and Bandai's too. Also, just a quick reminder to have a smooth paint job and a gloss top coat before applying water slides to avoid silvering and bubbles underneath. The borders will be less noticeable too. I love how the borders are not very noticeable even if I have yet to apply a decal softener. I actually don't really apply decal softener even if people recommend it quite a lot, because I simply add a couple of drops of vinegar on my water, so that acts as the softener. Also, I always top coat my kits, so I don't really have any problems like the decals getting damaged and stuff. If you're interested in HobbyMio water slides, you can take a look at the links below. I really love the quality of the decals, and maybe I'm biased because they sponsored me, but EA Gunpla also mentioned it. So yeah, try it for yourself. So here are the weapons after applying the decals. I really loved how it turned out. Anyways, I'm running out of things to say, so I'm just gonna share what I've been working on, along with clips of me applying decals on my past works. So, the Sinanju style is far from done. The weapons are done, but the main kit is not. I have finished detailing the skirts and one half of the backpack. I didn't do much on the head, just rescribed it, so that's also done. Left shoulder and arms also done. But I still need to work on the chest area, the legs, the other shoulder and arm, and the remaining half of the backpack. That's quite a lot, so I took a break from that and painted an IBO kit I had laying around. Full custom video of that will be up probably tomorrow or the day after. After that, I also snap fitted an MG kit as a break from HG kits. I can't help myself, so I also started detailing that. Basically, I have 3 projects all at the same time, so expect more of this vlog kind of videos. I will of course still try to slip in some tutorials here and there. Also, I just want to say thank you for all the love from my previous video. I don't have any plans for another video like that, but do comment down below if you have any ideas. Here's a little sneak peek on the IBO kit that I mentioned earlier. Just a simple paint job was done. Video will be up soon. Also, I will be trying to post 3 times a week, so click the bell button if you don't want to miss any of my uploads. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was not too all over the place. But I think it's not too bad for my first vlog kind of video. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe and watch my other videos.